Hello friends, welcome. This is the question from 1997 question paper and it was for 2 marks. The question is, consider an actual regenerative Rankine cycle with one open feed water heater for each kg steam entering the turbine if m kg steam with a specific enthalpy of H1 is bleed from the turbine and the specific enthalpy of liquid water entering the heater is H2, then H3. The specific enthalpy of saturated liquid leaving the heater is equal to, and these are the options. So here friends, this question is based on regenerative Rankine cycle with open feed water heater. So friends, if you want to learn everything about the regenerative Rankine cycle with open feed water heater, then please watch my video regenerative Rankine cycle with open feed water heater explained with diagram and graph. The link of this video I have given in the description of this video. Here in this manner I had explained that particular topic in that video. Okay, now we are going to use this diagram only here for understanding purpose of this question. So here friends, see here, this is a total mass coming from the boiler. Okay, here it is a total mass coming from the boiler which I have given here name m, which is equal to 1 kg. Suppose we have taken is at 1 kg. Okay, and this mass is going to turbine and some of the mass, some of the one from out of 1 kg, some amount of steam is bleed off or taken away and it goes to the open feed water heater. As you can see here, it is also called as direct contact type feed water heater. Okay, and it goes here and remaining steam expands completely to the condenser pressure and goes to the condenser, then to the low pressure pump, and then to the open feed water heater. Here it mixes completely and comes out from here at point 6, which has a saturated water. Okay, now here we have to find the enthalpy at that point, at this point. Okay, now see here friends, in the question here they have mentioned for each kg. So for steam entering the turbine, okay, for this I have given here, we have given here 1 kg steam. Okay, this is going in this direction. Further they told that in the question, if m kg of steam with a specific enthalpy of H1 is bleed from the turbine, that is here they have given, we are not considering m1 here. Now we are considering m kg mass is bleed off as per our question here. Okay, and has the specific enthalpy H1. So here m kg and H1. Okay, for this state 2, which is bleed off from or taken out from the turbine at this intermediate position. Okay, further they have mentioned, and the specific enthalpy of liquid water entering the heater is H2, then H3. See here, for first liquid water entering the heater is H2, liquid water. So here friends, after mass is coming, after steam is coming from this point, okay, this point, then it has a mass 1, this minus this. Okay, 1, we are not considering here this 1 kg minus m. Okay, 1 minus m, and this whole mass of steam is expanded steam is going to condenser and it gets liquefied. And here friends, here also it is 1 minus m kg, and as per the question here, the here the enthalpy specific enthalpy is H2 at this point, so here it is H2. Okay, and further then H3 is the specific enthalpy of saturated liquid leaving the heater is equal to, we have to find here the specific enthalpy leaving the heater, that is open feed water heater. So at this point here we have to find this one, that is H3, formula for this one. Okay, now see here friends, see now here H3 we have to find, so H3, and here one more thing friend, at this point there is a mixing of M plus and this mass, that is 1 minus M. So we are here left with 1 kg, so here mass is 1 kg again, as like this one H, the mass of H at this point is 1 kg and enthalpy is H3. So now here friends, see H3 is equal into 1, that is mass, our mass is equal to here this plus this, so here we have mass M, so here M into H1, and here we have mass this one 1 minus M, so plus 1 minus M into H2. Okay, now let's simplify it. So we have here H3 is equal to MH1 plus H2 minus H2 minus MH2. Further H3 is equal to, now we have H2 plus M into bracket H1 minus H2. Okay, this is our H3, that is specific enthalpy of the at the exit of the open feed water heater, that is H3. So in the options we have wait friends, we need to simplify one more time this one. So here H3 is equal to H2, we will take minus sign outside. So here friends, now this becomes minus M into bracket H2 minus H1. Okay, this is our answer. We just put here, only put here minus, and then as per the rule plus in the bracket plus gets minus and minus gets plus. So here we got this from this one. So here friends, now in the options, option C is the correct answer for this question. So friends, in this video we have seen the question based on regenerative Rankine cycle with open feed water heater. Thank you friends for watching this video. Like, share and comment for this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.